Welcome to my channel, the Smoky Pot. Today's recipe is green beans and chicken. On the table here, you have the different ingredients we are going to use for preparing that recipe. This recipe is just very easy. It doesn't take time. Within 10-15 minutes you are done with it. And the recipe is very nutritious. It's good for those people that are mainly on a diet. On the table here, I have the different ingredients we are going to use. Here I have the medium sized onion. Here I have shallot here. Here I will be using a little bit of curry. Here I have black pepper. Here I have 2 scotch pepper. I have salt to taste. Here is 2 potatoes we are going to use. Here I have paprika, and here I have a flaked pepper. Also we'll be using garlic for this recipe. Then this is the chicken we're going to use. We are going to cut this into bits. This is the green beans I will use. We are going to use 200 grams of beans. Here we'll be using this olive oil here. Here on the table I have my seasoning. Here is the broth base of beef. Also I'll be using spring onions. Then I will use 2 bell pepper. We have the orange color and the red one, and then we'll be using some tomatoes. Why I decide to use these 2 different types of bell peppers because I want the food to be a little bit colorful. So now we are going to prepare all our ingredients. We are going to start with the chicken. I'm going to cut this into bits. We are preparing our ingredients now for the green beans and chicken. It's going to be very delicious and it's good for those who are vegetarians. It's very easy to prepare. It doesn't take much time. Maybe 10-15 minutes is ready. So we are done with cutting of the chicken. So let me pare my potatoes now. I think I will cut them into cubes. We are done with the cutting of the potatoes. So let's cut our onion. Let's prepare our garlic. I'm almost done with preparing of ingredients for the green beans and the chicken. Before we finish the preparation of the whole ingredients, so let's start the process of stir frying the chicken. I'm done putting the chicken in the pot to fry a little bit. So we're going to leave it here for about 3 to 4 minutes until it is golden brown before we add the other ingredients. So let's continue with the preparation of other ingredients for the green beans and the chicken. Our ingredients are ready, so we have to put them in the pot of chicken now. Let me first add my cut potatoes. We'll continue stir frying. I'm going to add my bell pepper. Continue with the process of stir frying. Then I will add my black pepper. This is 1 teaspoon of black pepper here. Then also I will add 1 teaspoon of salt. Here also I have 1 teaspoon of curry powder. I will add that. Then I have 1 teaspoon of flake pepper too. I add that too. Then I add our diced scotch pepper. We come, we stir it, everything together. Then let's add the other ingredients. I have my garlic here. Also, I'll pour it in. Here, I have my onions. Pour everything in. We're going to pour the spring onion almost to the end of the cooking and the tomatoes too. So we can stir fry for about 4 minutes. This meal can be taken on its own, it can be taken as a main dish, or it can be used as a side dish. So I will cover to let this simmer for about 2 minutes. This is almost cooked now, so I'm going to add the remaining ingredients to it. Here is my tomatoes. I keep on stirring. Then I will add my spring onions. Then I will add my seasoning. I'm going to add 1/4 teaspoon of seasoning here. Then add my paprika. Then add my green beans. This will be very delicious. It has a very good aroma. You can taste for salt. If you are one that likes so much salt, you can add some. You can add the salt to taste. So I've added all my ingredients. I keep on stir frying until everything is cooked. Let me cover it for a minute. Let's check. Our green beans and chicken should be ready now. Oh wow, it's ready. It's ready. As I said, it can be taken as a main meal or it can be used as a side. Here I have rice here. We are going to take it as a side to white rice. Then also you can also take it as a meal on itself. So Let me serve there on the table now. Our food is ready. So let's see how it tastes. As I said, the food can be served as a side dish, which is this. We have boiled rice here. It is served as a side dish. Also, we have the main dish here. So let's see how it is. It looks so attractive. I know the aroma. This is going to be very delicious. So let's taste and see what it tastes like. This is very good. I can't stop eating. This is good. This is very delicious. Thank you, viewers. Keep on watching.